Well guys, here we are at the reupholster place. I've just brought Jurapia's bike, which I've come to put a new seat on her old bike. And there's the guy there working on the seat of the bike. And there's Papa in the background sewing away. I took a little bit of footage of that before. We came next door to buy motorcycle helmets. Jurapia needed a new helmet and I didn't have one. And it's just as easy getting around on a bike in Chiang Mai than a car. And she's got a full license, I haven't. So we come to buy some helmets, and just happened to be that just down the road from it, no more than about 50 or 60 metres, was this upholstery shop. So we walked in, unannounced, asked him how much it would be to reupholster a seat. He said 300 to 400 baht, so that's $15 to $20. So we went home, got the bike. Let's turn the camera around. There's the bike there. Hello Jurapia. Yeah, we got the bike, and it's a Honda Wave, a 110 Honda Wave, and we brought the bike back, and Papa reckons, yep, he can do it straight away, and he reckons maybe only 30 minutes, not bad. 300 to 400 baht, 30 minutes service in Thailand. But you can't really complain about the service in Thailand. You got a problem, you present yourself, you got the cash, they'll do the job for you. Jurapia's bike getting a bit of a berth with a new seat. We're going to put foot pegs on it, and might replace some mirrors and handle grips. Might look at the foot pegs as well. Guys, I'll get back to you when the final product's finished. Wow, looks good, mate. Fantastic. Good job. Here's the finished product, guys. He's done a really, really good job of that. Back to original texture. Fantastic. And took him not even 30 minutes, I don't think. That was fantastic. I'll get back to you for a price in a minute. See what it's going to be. Well, guys, that was 300 baht. It was $15 Australian. There's a change out of 500. Fantastic. Just rocked up, asked him if it could be done. He said, yeah, bring the bike back. We brought the bike back. It was done, I'll say 30 minutes for 300 baht, which is $15 Australian. Fantastic service. There's Papa there. Give us a wave, Papa. It's his business. Fantastic. So if you never need a bike seat repaired in Chiang Mai, make sure you come to this place here. I'll leave a link on the video. I'm going to do a bit of a review, but there it is there on Facebook and Line. And yeah, fantastic. So in the land of smiles, it doesn't get any better than this. So I hope you sit back, relax, and take that chill pill and enjoy the McLean Up Files. Cheers, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.